Good morning everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin and the Alts. As always, hope you're all doing very well. You have been able to trade Bitcoin good as always. We've got the lovely drop here on Bitcoin. This is just pretty perfect and went straight into a long target, the wave 4 target. That's pretty nice. Normally the microphone is working well. Good morning to you all. Starting a little bit early today. Boom. Good morning, mate. Good to see you here. I'm doing great, thanks. What about you? Hope you're doing great, mate. Yeah, so let's jump into it really. So we found support at the moment into a long target that was simply the wave 4 we was looking at here. Normally there you can see, so we was looking for that longer, well, possible longer one. It was either here a wave 1 2 and then by massive increase in price, or a fight was up here for an ABC flat, so a correction to go more down. As I said, I'm not longing any of this here, so we've got the continuation. Told you in this also that I was not buying the dip here, was looking for 91,000 at least, and there still remaining patient for low there. So yeah, we've got the long target was waiting for. We did got a bounce from an MC strat target, by the way, so I did to the long to the dollar at the low here, but I personally closed this because I don't want to be in such I don't want to try to catch a knife really. I'm taking the trade, taking profit, and I'm gonna see what data we create later. Anyways, let's update first of all the levels. Good morning to you also here. Good morning, mate. Boom. So daily level. Just gonna reduce a bit of volume on my side. Boom, boom, boom. Nothing new, just big red candles. Let's go next to the charts there. Where is this? Here. Levels. One naked session path control, 86,990. So let's take this. 86,990, perfect. TPO we have none, just the one at the top here, but it's already added on my side yesterday. Is it that one? Yeah, it is. We have a single print, by the way, just above. So you can see here we have a good low. Okay, we have a good low here. We have a buying tail, and we have a single print just above. So this is a resistance I was talking about yesterday, basically in Discord. But yeah, we're going to plan everything. So here, oh well. We have a nice DNPOC just above, so TPO there is nothing here. Here 89,387.5. So look, 89,357.5. 87, yeah. Boom. Perfect. Is already a hit? No. And on the TIX one, where is this? It's the same. Alright. So this, and we are done. I'm gonna make it very simple, to be honest with you. Okay. The biggest resistance really right now is coming really around. So first of all, the first one is very simply this latest downtrend point of control. Okay, we have so this latest downtrend path control. Very simple thing. If we get acceptance above, so we can also take the lower time frame highs here. If we manage to reclaim this point of control, okay, oops, well, anyways, I'll try to make it like this. If we manage to reclaim, get acceptance above the highs here, it is very likely we're going to see an increase in price up to the value area high, so around 95,000. So this path control here is very, 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 very key. Okay, if we reclaim this path control and we manage to hold above, we get nothing bearish when we try to break out. Okay, so we can just read the order flow as always, and by reading this, you're normally able to say more likely, again we cannot be sure 100%, it's impossible, but we can say more likely what is going to happen next. So if on the breakout here we get some good data, then we can look for an increase, so above these highs basically. Okay, also if on this breakout we get some good data, we can look for a nice increase in price up to this value high. I will still be aware of the latest, range we have been trading here. You can see how we flipped that into resistance. If we manage to, well, this is also a small resistance, to be honest with you. We have this top here before the drop anchor rate view up. Okay, and the range low. So this is also a resistance to be aware of for a possible, for example, if you manage to break out here and get a good breakout, we can take the long basically, and we can write this up here to the take profit 1 target. There will be a safe take profit just in case we reject a really low probability resistance, okay, but this is still there, we have to be aware of it. So this is a possible take profit 1. If we manage to reclaim this, we're definitely going towards a 95,000, and to be fair, possibly even higher than this, okay. So yeah, this is a plan, very simple to the upside. First resistance is basically this path control, that is 89,500, right? Yeah, 89,500. We can look for max 90,000 really. If we manage to reclaim this, we can look for the bottom of the range to this anchor rate view up on the 1 hour from the very top here, okay, the latest downtrend top anchor rate view up. If we reclaim that, we can look for 95,700, and to be fair, even higher, okay. This value high is more like a zone, okay, to be honest with you, because if you pull the fixed range from the bottom here to the very top, to the all-time high, you can see we have this value low here also, and path control. So it's really, if we reclaim this path control, manage to break this here, so we take probably 1 in this if there are any bearish data really. If we manage to reclaim this, we can look for between 94,700 up to 96,000 basically. And if we start reclaiming this, then this is very likely next going towards a new all-time high, to be honest with you. Okay, that is a very simple plan. If now we go more down, we can simply look for such target. So I'm gonna plan a retest target just in case we have to do a retest here. I have the 38.250% there. All right, let's get rid of that. Boom. Yeah, so we can simply take this fixed range from the top to the bottom, and there we go. We have our targets already. Nice. There you go. So we have basically a few lows to take here. So that would be cool to get the drop here and the bounce from this zone really. And then we see if we get the short, if we get a good short reaction. Otherwise, we can look for an increase in price. So the best way to come a little lower here and get this long trade off this zone really. Okay, so it's starting from this value high. If we break it, path control, and if we lose the path control, then we can look for a new low. Okay, but first of all, we have to be aware of this setup, and the best way to get this long into the short above these highs, oops, like this. Okay, so go above here, come back down, and then when we come back down, we see how far we go, because normally right now, so we are in a double EXY to the downside. Okay, again, there are different configurations for this, but this is what I have more likely. And I have here an ABC zigzag, so leading first with a smaller wave of an ending, so ABC zigzag in the wave 1, 3, and 5. Then we have an ABC flat, you know, the ABC flat we have been trading. This here, ABC flat with a drop next. And so after, so we have a 5 waves correction, 5 waves down. So if we have to make a 5 waves down, we have this 1, 2, the red wave here. Okay, this one there, 1, 2. We have done the wave 3 bottom. We should now be in the wave 4, and we can look for the wave 5 next. So just one more new low next. Again, how far we're going to go. We can look for just a swing through pan of the current low. So if we don't get this long already, we can look simply, so bam, 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 get nothing good in there, continue, nothing good on the order flow, continue a little lower, take the lows, okay, just take the low, come back up directly, get some gush, a good bullish reaction basically here, take the long, write this up. If there is nothing good for a long, we can look for a failed auction, so go below, spend some time, start from something bullish below here, and get the, maybe just an SFP of this, and come back up. That will be a failed auction. Spend a bit of time below the price low, and if you don't get an SFP or a failed auction, very simple, we look for the next target. What is the next target? We can look for this swing through pan anchor rate view up first. Okay, so if we don't get any swing through pan or failed auction of this bottom, we look for a drop between this swing through pan level and anchor rate view up. If we drop below, we can look for the gap top, and if we start breaking this, to be fair, it's very, very, very bearish, and we should not be in the wave 4 we are looking at anymore. And yeah, this is much more bearish, to be honest with you. We must be either in a massive crash, but before the massive crash, we have to look for a bigger wave 4. You know, normally, by the way, it's there, if I'm correct. Yeah, this is the thing we have planned a while ago already. If we had to be in a massive crash, that was something possible. We can look so for this configuration, basically. I'm just gonna get rid of that view up because it's a bit annoying. Boom. It's simply this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, completing this wave 3. So we have the 1, 2, 3. And before the massive crash like this, oops, maybe not that down because we cannot go below 0. But anyways, before the massive crash like this, we have to look for a retracement to still go higher, and then we just have to see into the targets what's going on, if we have anything good, some bullish wave off this, if not, or nothing good for a long on the order flow. All of this really we will see in a time. Then we can look for a continuation to the next target. Then again, here there is nothing, then yes, this is a massive crash next. So yeah, we'll see everything step by step. But yeah, first of all, we have this nice wave 4. Let's keep this for the moment. Okay, so wave 4 here, we can look for that between 87,600 down to 80,900. Okay, we have the plan here. That'll be the best to get this. Just gonna check the order flow. You haven't got time to check out the order flow really. So what do we have here? A bit of bearish CVD, but this is a week before, it's not that strong. Shorts are the lows, then longs, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10. Shorts, shorts, shorts. Just gonna refresh that to make sure the data are correct, because sometimes it's not. Nice, it is. So these shorts got stepped out, but we still have a lot of shorts there opening. No, I'm not sure we'll get that down, to be honest. Because we already have a lot of shorts down there. Let's see what says the 15 minutes. Maybe the 15 minutes, yeah. Well, it's a little bit more bearish than bullish, to be fair, but it depends if these shorts are getting reclaimed or not. If so, then they're going to get wrecked and we might see the highs to trap these. I mean, to short squeeze really. Then we're having a bit of demand now. Yep. Yeah, well, that'll be my view on this. So I will wait for a little lower personally, because for now the shorts are in profit. For the reclaim, well, we'll see if this is a bullish breakout or not. If this is a bullish breakout, then I'm gonna jump in along on the breakout. This is very rare for me to do this because I'm not longing the resistance. I'm not longing the resistance. I'm going to look for a short or for a long here. Because the thing is, again, once more, if we do reclaim this path control and get acceptance above and get nothing bearish, we're going to see a plus at least 6%, and to be fair, possibly a new all-time high. So yeah, I don't want to miss this, but yeah, be aware of this resistance still. That will be a take break one if we manage to reclaim that, right? So yeah, let's get rid of that, and there we go. Let's see if we can get this. And with the wave, yeah, well, as I was saying here, just we are live for 16 minutes. All right, so yeah, wave 1, 2. Normally, so I've done all the small wave here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This blue wave complete the yellow wave 1, 2, 3. Then we'll have the wave 4, 5 that are completed. These yellow 5 waves complete the bigger 1, 2, 3. And so now normally, if we are in a 5 ways down, we shall get a correction here. So we have some 5 ways that it looks like, to be honest. So it should be an ABC zigzag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So normally here it should be an ABC zigzag, or if we do get a massive increase in price, a 1, 2, boom, 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 3 or 5 to the upside. Otherwise, for now, looking for an ABC zigzag. Okay, B, C. And from here, get the wave 4 top and look for the wave 5 drop. But again, if we manage to reclaim above here, we can still look for a C wave, you know, up to the range low and the anchor rate view up here. But if we start reclaiming this, this is definitely an impulsive to the upside for me. So yeah, that is the plan at the moment. Let's see if we can get that. Where is the bottom then? It's there, yeah. Okay, yeah. So yeah, next the best way to get this long trade off the bottom of the range, really. Simply wait for the range yellow to be reclaimed. That is basically the SFP here. Simple as that. So I have my Elliott here, I have my Elliott here. We have an MC strategy just above, right there. That was the bottom also here. We have one just below, by the way. And we have just two right here. So yeah, can give something. We have a nice resistance. We'll see at the time what's the reaction, right? Yeah, well, that is a plan right now. That would be the best. That would be the best. And yeah, if we go just, well, yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this. I don't know if you have any questions. Can you check DOGE and XRP, please, if you have some time? 18 minutes. Let's do this. So you said DOGE and XRP. Well, XRP, I closed XRP. Jeez. Oh, by the way, before to go with the request, just gonna go with mine here. XRP is there, yeah. Alright, so Rune did played out absolutely perfectly. I did not took the long personally because, well, Bitcoin was dropping massively, so I prefer to be a bit careful when Bitcoin is dropping like this. But we've got the short and we've got the long. So if you took this, congrats, you've made some nice money here. The next one was a year. Well, nothing crazy on that. I'm gonna wait for a nice. Some nice wave. It looks like we'll have a good start. The other one was Metis, was looking for a possible bounce off this long target. What we did was waiting for the reclaim of this key level. We got the reclaim, boom, massive increase in price. And we've got another one normally, yeah? Can't remember which one it was. No, Metis Rune, it looks like. Yeah. Well, Metis Rune, yeah, okay. Well, these are the ones I was looking at. Now I'm just remaining patient, see what we create. And again, if we bounce and massively rising from here, I'm gonna wait for the 5 ways up, to be completed, and then we're gonna get a pullback in any case. Maybe small, but still, I'm prepared to remain patient here, because overall, that'll be good to see a little lower on Bitcoin. So due to this, we can rise again from here. If we do reclaim the path control here, please understand we're going to rise a lot more possibly. Okay, be aware of this resistance, but we might see value high, to be fair, around 95,000, 96,000. So it can rise also on the ads, but if we get this, we might get one more new low, and then from here, then yes, if we get the increase in price, we'll get the bottom normally on the ads too. So I'll prefer to wait for this to be, yeah, I'll just prefer to wait for this. DOGE and XRP. So I'm just going to do this too because we're already live for almost 20 minutes. Just I'm gonna add it into the request in Discord. Boom. Feel free to go in Discord and ask the request there. So DOGE and XRP. So let's do XRP here. Well, XRP for me again, I'm gonna wait for a new low to be made. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for this right here. Okay, this target we have planned basically we touch it again, so we can look simply for a new low here, trade this as a swing through upon refill auction, as simple as that. I'm not gonna be that interested in the long before that, to be honest. It can bounce, again we can be in a double EXY into a wave 1, 2, and then get a massive increase in price. But again, I need to see some confirmation on Bitcoin that we reclaim the path control and we get a good break to the upside. We don't get anything bearish, so this is something possible. That will be the bullish wave if we have to rise from here, wave 1, wave 2. And so, or ABC, but at least get a rise to the top. And so this was a double XY, and so then we can look for a bam 3, 4, 5 to complete this wave. So 4 was in, and so we can look for this wave 5. Again, wave 4 was pretty short, but well, the wave 2 was extremely long, so it's fine. Yeah, otherwise I will simply wait for a new low. That will be the best. And from here, swing through panel failed auction basically before a new increase in price. And if we do something a little bit bigger, well, there will be a failed auction below that low, down to the bottom of the target for another rise next. For now, this is what I'm going to do, but if Bitcoin reclaim the path control, then we can see a bigger rise already. DOGE, where is DOGE? Not here, so let's go on this one there, and DOGE must be in here. Oh, yep. What the fuck, I didn't touch the chart here and we went exactly straight into a wave 4 we have plated here. What the fuck? I did not touch this chart since we... well, it was in this, I think. And you can say, I almost place that to the dollar of the bottom, that's pretty nice. Yeah, this is not a wave 4 anymore, to be honest. Yeah, again, this is... again, we can end up here in an SFP of that. But I mean, there's just no confidence here, right? This is... so I will long only if Bitcoin managed to reclaim the path control. And again, even if we reclaim the path control, please be aware of this zone of resistance. Okay, it's very, 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 very key. This anchor view up and bottom of the range, SFP here. This zone here is a resistance. Small, but still there, so we have to be aware of it. So, yeah. Best will be to come down to the long target below we have planned, right? And if we do break this, then we can look for the next one, right? What we have planned, basically. Let's get rid of that. Yes, now it all depends, I would say, if Bitcoin managed to reclaim the path control and if we do not reject this zone of resistance here. Also, if we do so, we might see lower. If we don't, then yes, this is going to rise. So yeah, that'll be the thing on Doge. For now, I'm gonna keep this wave, but I don't think so that we're in this wave 4 anymore, to be honest with you. If we're bullish, that might be another wave 1 too. Yeah. And if Bitcoin crashed, then yeah, that was simply this double EXY, and the 5 ways was done before, and this was a double EXY done already. So we can look for a new low. But yeah, for now, let's keep that. Bitcoin can rise, it's possible. And we're live for 23 minutes, so it's good already. Yeah, so well, hopefully the Bitcoin plan is not too hard. Not sure we'll get lower due to the shorts we're having right now, but well, we'll see. If we get, then this is a long target, and if we don't, well, we can look for a rise directly and simply see if we manage to break out, to get some good data on the breakout of this. If we do so, then we can look for an increase in price to at least this target. That will be the safe take profit one, and then we can see here what's going on. Do we continue up? If we continue up, we can look for at least 96,000, and to be fair, we can look, if we do break this, for much higher, well, a new all-time high basically next. But yeah, step by step, this, okay, step by step. If we do reclaim that, we can look for that one here. This is not the biggest resistance at all, so to be fair, it's likely we break above, but sometimes we do the less probable things, so we can still reject that, so we have to be aware of it, right? But in terms of probability, it's less probable. This is not a very strong one. So yeah, these are the main resistance, so break this more likely up here, but still look for a safe take profit in there, right? Because it's still there. So yeah, and if we drop directly, we get nothing good for a long. That'll be weird to be fair, but well, possible. We can look for a swing through parallel auction, and basically this right here below. And I would still prefer a new low due to the wave, so a correction here for a wave 4 to look for a wave 5 next. And this wave 4 will be valid unless we start breaking this high here, then we can look for a much higher 96,000. That would invalidate basically the wave 4, so normally this is already done in that case to the downside. So yeah, that's it for me for today. Good morning, mate. But if Doge is in a 1-2, then what does the rest of the count looks like? Oh, well, that will be simply, well, this will be a wave 1-2, to be honest with you. There'll be another wave 1-2, another wave 1-2, and we will get the bull run next. There'll be a triple wave 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. And so next, let me just go on a daily time frame. There you go. So there'll be a 1 2. I mean, again, we'll have a triple wave here, so it looks pretty weird, but well, I will take a wave 1 2 if it rise, right? So 1 2 1 2 1 2, and so then you have this 3 4 5 3 4 5, and these 5 waves complete these 3. Then we'll have the wave 1, the wave 5, and normally we are into a wave 5, yeah. See? So this triple wave, well, we don't have the data here because this stopped it on this one, but we have the wave 1 2 1 2 1 2, and so next that will be the 3 4 5 3 4 5 3 4 5, completing this wave 5. That will be a nice bull run, but again, we need Bitcoin to reclaim the path control and all this to get that to the upside most likely. Yeah, that will be the count, how it looks like basically. I'm just gonna get rid of this brush, and we're done for today. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Let's see if we can get the plan. Do we have some news, by the way? Wednesday, right? Yeah, no, so we don't have. We do have some news tomorrow, so 2:30 UTC plus 1. Be aware of this, but this is tomorrow. And yeah, catch you otherwise on Friday. Take care of you as always. And let's see what we get, really. Let's see where we are in the next update and what we get. In any case, I'm gonna keep you informed in Discord as always. There's gonna merge this on the rate so I do not forget. Boom. I'm gonna keep you informed on what I'm doing or stuff like this. Yeah, gonna keep you informed. So if you want to join, feel free. It's free. Again, this is free. If you want to learn your ways, learn how to make such predictions, for example, was looking for a rise, boom, for a drop next, simply go and check out the website. You can learn your way there. You have half of the course for absolutely free, so it can be very good, to be honest with you. And you can learn also exo charts. You have many lessons on this. Just go and check this out, really. Do your life. Check this out if you want to. If not, well, it's all good too. You do whatever you want, basically. If you want to, for all this content here with all these amazing predictions, smash the likes. I would appreciate it a lot. Thank you so much if you take the time to do it. With all the good plan we've got here, with the drop and everything here, the short, basically giving everything for free, to be honest with you. Even you can see here the short. Where is this? I was showing that I was shorting here at the top. And then, well, this was basically at the very top here. At this top there, and we've got this nice crazy drop next, like minus 13% decrease in prices. It's just pretty crazy. So if you enjoy all this content, feel free to smash the likes, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and yeah, thank you if you take the time to do it. Anyways, have a brilliant day ahead, take care, and catch you in the next one. Cheers, on Friday. Cheers.